Indian population is 1.41 billion people, and for this huge population, the pollution rate of India is increasing day by day. And one of the main reasons of this pollution hike is using ordinary cars by Indians. And so, for this to reduce this pollution, it is the best option, right? But most of the Indians do not want.
So, what is your project?
Project, sir, student innovation, sorry, sir.
You have to give some specific
The wireless charging static wireless charging platform for equipment.
that thing you have to write. You are from which department?
Electrical.
All from electric. Second year or third year?
Second year. To use this, EV is the best option for India. But main problem to use EV because the charging sector of India in EV sector is very bad. So to solve this problem and encourage Indians to use EV, I am Samadhi Vishwas and my team EcoVolt introduced our idea, the static wireless charging platform for EV. Now you will think you have a question that. You have a question that why we use wireless charging system, because wired charging system already exists in India. Because wired charging system already have some problems like health issues, and I will write in the PPT the health issue, lack of public awareness, battery degradation, high cost. To solve this all problems, and our solution provides a safety, confidence, and increases the safety of charging platform via wireless, and we transfer electricity with the medium of electromagnetic waves. Via electromagnetic waves, we transfer energy to first coil to secondary coils. In our innovation, we implemented lead coil. It's a type of wire which reduces the resistance and reduces the heat and uses distance for better alignment of two coils. So if we reduce the distance between the coils, then the time also is reduced. So use distance. So we use the distance to reduce the difference between the two coils, primary coils and secondary coils. Uses wireless platform. If you park the car on the wireless platform and pay for the charging, and it is automatically charged the car. That's one. Thank you. Now I like to invite my co-speaker for further discussion on this topic. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak further on our topic. I will discuss the technical approach of our project. So, first of all, in this circuit, we are using an Arduino. The Arduino is used as a gate driver. It will control the gates. The full sockets are used as HPs, which will generate the AC current. Now, how it will generate the AC current? When the MOSFET 1 and this MOSFET 2 are in on condition and MOSFET 3 and 4 are in off condition, current will flow from left to right through the coil. So in that time instant, current is flowing in one direction. In another time instant, when the MOSFET 3 and 4 are on condition and 1 and 2 are in off condition, current will flow like this. So the current will flow from right to left through the coil. So in that time instant, current is changing in direction. We are changing this in 50 times in 1 second. So we are generating a frequency of 50 Hz, and due to this AC current, and flux will generate in the primary coil, which will link to the secondary coil, which is in the car. Due to this flux linkage, an EMF will generate in the secondary coil, and after as an AC and we are charging the battery, and battery is in DC, we need to rectify the current, and we will use capacitor to filter the current, and after that it will go to BMS. The BMS stands for battery management system. It controls the battery overcharge protection and current, and that things are controlled by BMS. So this circuit is used in our prototype, and we can change the power output in the primary coil to change the heating issue, we can minimize the heating issue and charging speed by changing the power output to the primary coil. Thank you everyone. Now I will ask my co-speaker to introduce us and speak further about our project.
I have one of my question.
Yes sir.
So let we have two magnetic field.
Yes sir.
In one in car, another in any charging station.
Yes sir.
That is your motor issue. And through the wireless system, we want to charge the car.
Yes sir.
So let car running in the road. So there may be such same sequence may come in the road.
Yes sir. But we
Then
are
what will happen? What's the safety we have got?
actually we are using the static charger. We are not using dynamic because in dynamic
Not the dynamic. Late car is running on the road.
yes sir.
So that way your magnetic system in that car that is active.
No sir, that time not active.
Another car like running from other side.
Sir, in that condition, we are not actually charging the car. The power station is not in the road. It's in the parking station, like in shopping mall parking station.
From any other section, similar magnetic wave may come. Like when you are running on road, similar magnetic frequency may come. What?
Sir, it will be protected by the BMS, battery management system. It will handle that.
What is the electromagnetic shielding method you are using? Unwanted electromagnetic wave can come. Okay, how you can isolate this electromagnetic
You
wave?
have to protect that.
And what is the shielding method you are using? Electromagnetic shielding method.
Electrical wave আছে what is Well, it's an important question. Not thought of as of now. Correct? So you have to start that.
Currently, sir, it's
What is the power required to charge the battery?
sir minimum in normal plug and socket system. There are for AC there are two.
The battery is a DC.
Yes sir, yes sir. Battery is a DC component, but in the DC socket charging systems, there are two systems. Both use from 400 volt to 800 volt for charge.
Charge in small scale. Yeah. But try to charge the small battery. Then think for car or something, that type of vehicles.
Then to charge the battery, you need the voltage and the current.
Try to connect.
So, whenever you are coupling the electromagnetic wave from two devices, what is the power generated or what is the power transfer you are getting? That is important. But I think it is not possible to generate that much amount of power to charge the battery using electromagnetic whatever you are using.
There will be some losses in the air because there is
No.
Your thinking is good, but you have to think small. Yeah.
What is
To
that?
charge a car battery,
Yes, sir.
lot of magnetic wave.
What is that H bridge? H bridge what? H bridge what?
So H bridge is we are using to
H bridge, cycloconverter, inverter,
inverter, sir.
chopper. It is the inverter. So you
We are
have not
using an
taken
inverter.
H bridge inverter. You are charging DC.
Yes, sir. Sir, the H bridge is very used for generating the AC current.
বলেছে, ঠিক আছে তো?
You think about the power which is generating your system that is used in the battery. Okay, that power is important. Through electromagnetic wave, I think whatever you are generating, that is not sufficient to charge the battery. Okay, that is wrong.
ছোটখাটো কিছু করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে? ছোটখাটো একটা small
You take small battery where the total power is required less amount of power is required, then you try to work this high range battery.
বুঝে বুঝি ছোটখাটো ছোট একটা কোনো সেল নিয়ে চেষ্টা করো। ঠিক আছে? এভাবে করেছে ওরা, দেখো তো কি করে।
This is common in our
হ্যাঁ, product নিয়ে Yes, okay, better next. যারা জানিস দুজন দাঁড়া, ঠিক আছে? বাকিরা চলে যা, পরের গ্রুপ।
নেক্সট গ্রুপ নাম্বার 12
Yeah,